how to download and install Assassin's Creed 1 on PC. So if you want to download and install the Assassin's Creed 1 on your PC, then first you just need to simply open up your browser, and under your browser you can search for Steam. Once you've searched, now you just need to simply go with the store.steampower.com and make sure to download the Steam. If you've not downloaded, you can simply go with install, which is on the upper right, and you need to install the Steam application. Once you install the Steam, you can simply search for Steam, and then you need to open the application. Go with yes, and once it's open, now you just need to simply go with the store or the home page, and here you will have the search option. You just need to simply go with the search and search for Assassin's Creed 1. So once you search for the Assassin's Creed, now here you will get the Assassin's Creed. So this is the 2 and this is the Unity one, and in this way you will be able to have the applications or the games. So if you want to download and install those, then you can simply choose any one of these, and once you click on those, now you'll get this kind of interface where you just need to simply scroll down, and from here you'll be able to add that to your cart and you can download and install it. You can simply go with add to cart and then go with purchase by myself, and you'll be able to have the Assassin's Creed. So that's how you can download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.